Hello everyone, welcome to the How to Corner. In this video, I will show you how to make a zip file on a laptop or desktop PC. First, what is a zip file? A zip file is a file format that combines multiple files into one compressed file, which is usually smaller in size than the original files. So, here are the steps to make a zip file. First, select the files or folder that you want to compress and right-click on it. In the drop-down menu that appears, hover over the Send to option and then click on Compress Zip Folder. A new zip file will be created in the same location as your selected files. You'll see a default name highlighted and ready to be edited. Type in the name you want for your zip file. If you're satisfied with the default name, just press Enter. Now let's check the size of the original folder and the size of the new zip file. As you can see, the zip file is smaller in size. And that's it. You've successfully created a zip file. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech guides.